everyone. रुको. One. I'm Shra Mishra and today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, which is which board should the students choose after their class 10. But before getting into the video, I would like to take a moment and thank K Plus Classes for giving me such opportunity to help my students in any way out. So without wasting your time, let's dive straight into the video. So class 10 is one of the major milestones in our education system, and now when the results are out, the students are quite worried which board should they opt for, CBSE or ISC. The common psychology of the students as well as their parents कि अगर उनके marks 85 से ज़्यादा आए हैं, let's go for science. 85 से कम है, let's go for commerce. Planning तो कुछ है ही नहीं. And अगर इससे भी कम marks आते हैं, then let's get straight into for arts. Breaking this common stereotype, we should choose our stream according to our ultimate goal. Now let's move to the pros and cons of choosing CBSE board after class 10. So, अगर हमारा mind setup clear है that yes, we have to crack the competitive exams, चाहे वो engineering के लिए हो, that is IIT, JEE, या फिर medical entrance exam हो, be it NEET, AIMS और JIPMER, we should straight away move or go to the CBSE board school. Why? जो सिलेबस हमारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में है वो सेम सिलेबस CBSE स्कूल्स भी फॉलो कराता है एंड द बुक दैट दे यूज इज द NCERT बुक एज देयर बेस. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द कॉन्स ऑफ चूजिंग CBSE बोर्ड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स आर वेरी लेस and more emphasis is given on maths and science subjects as compared to the core English language, जिसके वजह से बच्चों की जो vocabulary it's quite less as compared to the ISC students. Now let's move to the pros and cons of choosing ISC board. अगर आपने decide कर लिया that you have to go for graduation and post graduation courses like BSc, MSc, PhD, scientific research या ISRO, I hope मिशन मंगल याद होगा, then you should straight away go into the ISC board. देखिए अगर हम ISC board में हैं तो क्या we should go for bio or we should opt for computer. So अगर आपका concept clear है that you want to go for medical, you have to or you should choose bio. और अगर आपको engineering के लिए जाना है then please opt for computer. With CBSE students, either they should go for PCM or for PCB. So अगर आपको IIT या JEE crack करना है then you should go for PCM. That's physics, chemistry and maths. And if you want to crack medical entrance exam like NEET, you should go for PCB. That is physics, chemistry and bio. It turns out to be helpful for you and this will lead you to choose the correct board for yourself, and you will definitely do all the possible to make your good better and your better the best.
Plus fam. So hello everyone. She is Akanksha Mishra, our science faculty. She is Ananya Mishra, our creative director, and I'm Shweta, as you all know me. So if you like the video, do
Like it,
share it and subscribe to our channel. Do hit the bell icon up so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching our video.